Let's look at the ways and how you can control the flow of prospects, how you can get more prospects or how you can get fewer prospects. We can't control that. You control that. So let's show you how to do that. So if you're at our website, retirementprospects.com, just click here, Advisor Login. That takes you to the login page. Type in your username, password, and you log into your account. Now scroll down, and on the left side, how to control lead flow. Okay, that's what you want to find on the left side. And it will take you to a page that looks like this. 5 ways to control your lead flow. So, first way, eliminate prospect types. So if you have, say, 8 different prospect types, you can reduce them to 4. That's one way to slow down your lead flow. That can only be done the first and third Thursday of each month. Why? Because when we order your ads, we have to pay for them in advance, 2 weeks in advance. So once we pay for them, we're stuck buying ads for all 8 prospect types if you told us 8 prospect types. At the end of that 2-week period, which is the first or third Thursday of each month, you can then change your prospect types. You can either add some or you can remove some. For example, if you had annuity prospects, you could delete that. Or if you start selling long-term care insurance, you could add long-term care prospects. So you can add or delete the first and third Thursday of the month. Next, if your radius is over 10 miles, you need to reduce it to 10 miles first. It's actually best to always start your account at 10 miles. Why? Because we will show you an advantage of being able to slow down your leads if your radius is set at 10 miles or less. Now, if your radius is bigger than 10 miles, to reduce it, you can do that the first and third Thursday of each month. Okay. Next, if your radius is at 10 miles or less and you have received more than 5 leads within 5 consecutive days or fewer, let's say you received more than 5 leads, would be 6 leads. Let's say you received 6 leads within the last 3 days and you want fewer. You can reduce your radius in half by using the link below in the next paragraph. So there will be a link in your account like this, which you click, and it will cut your radius in half. So if your radius is 10 miles, you click it, it'll cut it down to 5. You can only do that if your radius is already 10 miles or less, and you have received more than 5 leads within 5 or fewer consecutive days. In other words, if you're averaging more than 1 lead a day and you want fewer, you can use this control by clicking the link in your account. Then, if you continue to receive more than 5 leads in the next 5 consecutive days after you reduce your radius, you can then do it again. You can click that link again, and it will reduce your radius from, say, 5 miles to 3 miles. So anytime your radius is 10 miles or less, and you receive more than 5 leads within 5 consecutive days, you can click the link and cut your radius in half. Next, you can use the pause feature. If your account has been active for 30 days or more, the pause feature can be activated in your back office, and you can temporarily pause leads for up to 30 days. Now, that's a feature in your account. You'll see it over on the left side here. Pause account, right here. Okay, So those are 4 methods to adjust your lead flow. Note that there is no way to just turn leads off and on, as we place your ads in 2-week intervals and we pay for them in advance. That's why we can't just turn your ads off. We've already committed to them financially, and that's why we can only make a change the first or third Thursday of each month. Once placed, there's nothing we can do until the end of the 2-week interval. Okay, so those are all the methods you can use to either turn up the flow of your leads or turn down the flow of your leads. If you have any questions, the place to go is always, this is how you contact our client services department directly. You go to this webpage, ask any questions, ask for assistance. Thank you.